Yeah, hi there and welcome back. So let us continue with our lecture, and today we are going to learn about the start with combining operator. And it says that emit a specified sequence of items before beginning to emit the items from the source observable. So if you have a source observable which says 2 and 3 is there in the source observable, which is emitting the value of the 3 and 2, and then we apply start with and we say start with 1, and then we get a 1 first, then 2 and 3. So this is a start with, like something you can think like a default value that we provide, or something like before emitting this 2 and 3 we have to emit the value 1. So let's go and see in a practical way how we can make use of this start with. Let's go back to the project over here and let's go to the operator. So let me create a function over here, and start with operator, and the return type is of the observable, and let's say type of int first, and then we will go and return. Let's say we want to return first of get numbers from this one, so we want to print this one dot and start with. So we want to start with first, start with get num1 to 100. So first from the number from 1 to 100 will be printed, and then it will go to the 0 to 101 to 150. So start with first this observable, and then go on after complete the first observable, then go to the next observable. So that is the one actually straight. So first start with this observable, after this observable completes, then go to the next observable. That is the what it actually does. So we go back to the activity, and we'll just copy this code, and I'll just paste it below, and then just copy this method name and just go and paste it over here. And now try to run your application. That should actually go and print out from the 1 to 100 and again 1 to 150. So you can see that it printed out for us from 1 to 100, and then again from 101 to 150. So that is the thing that it's actually doing over here. And we can also do the another way around. Let's say we want to return, let's say get user from here, and dot start with. So let's say we want to start with, we need to pass the observable over. You can see that we have to pass the observable. Let's say we pass the single, and single observable dot just, and then let us pass the one default value for the user. So let me just copy this user, and let me go and paste it over here, and here we will just give a default value of 0, and everything is of 0 and 0. So we start with this one first and then get the user, and this the return type should be of the user. And now if you run this one, so what is the error? So name, okay, it should be comma over here, and let us run this one, and we should get a first value of the user printed out as a 000. Then it will go, and after this is complete, then it will go to get user. So go over here, you can check that we first print out this one and then we print out the users. So I hope you got it, what actually it does. So just go and practice more, and we'll meet up in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.